Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to use your points on SHEIN to save money when placing an order. It's super simple, and we'll guide you through each step. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the SHEIN app. Make sure you're already logged into your SHEIN account. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to complete your purchase or apply any points. Step 2. In the app's homepage, you'll see tons of items listed across categories. Scroll through or search to find the item you want to order. Once you find it, tap on it to open up the product details. Step 3. Now that you're on the product page, choose your desired size and color. Once you've selected the right options, look for the Add to Cart button at the bottom and tap it. Your item will now be added to the cart automatically. Step 4. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the cart icon. This will open up your shopping cart where you can see all the items you've selected. Uncheck any items you don't want to buy right now, and keep only the one you want to order using your points. Then tap on the Checkout button at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Now it's time to enter your shipping details. Add your correct shipping address and scroll down. As you continue, you'll see an option to apply your SHEIN points. If you have available points in your account, just select the checkbox to use them. The points will reduce your order total automatically. And that's it! You've successfully used your points on SHEIN. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.